You guys are crazy. Crazy, crazy. Little Boomy with the ball. You're so cute. Alright, I gotta go to bed. Any last thoughts, words, cuteness? Oh, you wanted to be cute. You want to say something cute? Okay, I think that's pretty cute. Oh, Beans, you want to say something? Okay. What about you, Mags? Rosie? Rosie, you sleepy? Me too. I think it's time for bed. For me, anyways. You guys have at it. Have fun.